Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and our place within it. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share with you the latest developments in space technology and exploration. Today, we're going to talk about a significant milestone achieved by Blue Origin, the private aerospace manufacturer founded by Jeff Bezos. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded of the vastness of space and the incredible feats that humans can achieve when we push the boundaries of innovation. And that's exactly what Blue Origin has done with its New Glenn rocket, which successfully landed its reused booster for the first time. This achievement marks a major step forward in the company's quest to establish itself as a leader in the commercial launch market. Imagine a rocket standing tall at 29 stories high, capable of carrying massive payloads into low Earth orbit. That's what the New Glenn is all about. And with its reliable booster reuse capability, Blue Origin is poised to take on the likes of SpaceX and its Falcon 9 rocket. The booster, dubbed Never Tell Me the Odds, has already flown on a previous mission and was recovered, setting the stage for this week's successful landing. As we consider the implications of this achievement, let's take a step back and appreciate the cosmic perspective. We're living in a time when private companies are driving innovation in space technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and expanding our understanding of the universe. It's a truly exciting era, and one that holds great promise for humanity. The New Glenn rocket is designed to carry bulkier payloads, including multiple satellites in a single mission. And, with its 7-meter nose cone, it's an attractive option for companies like AST SpaceMobile, which is building a constellation of satellites to provide space-based cellular broadband networks. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect with each other and explore the vast expanse of space. As we look to the future, we're reminded that the pursuit of space exploration is not just about technological advancements, but also about our responsibility to care for Earth and ensure that our actions are guided by a sense of wonder, curiosity, and critical thinking. So let's continue to explore, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into a fascinating tale that combines space exploration, cultural appreciation, and the power of language. You might recall the recent Artemis II mission, which made headlines for its groundbreaking achievements in space travel. But what's equally captivating is the story of Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen, who embarked on this journey with a unique perspective. As Hansen orbited the Earth, he took a moment to reflect on the importance of learning from others and respecting different cultures. He shared his custom mission patch, designed by Anishinaabe artist Henry Guimond, which symbolized the connection between humans and the natural world. The patch featured Artemis launching her arrow, surrounded by the grandmother moon, a poignant reminder of the cycle of life. But what's truly remarkable about Hansen's story is his decision to speak French during the mission, despite being in a global setting where English might have been more convenient. This deliberate choice highlights the significance of language as a tool for cultural exchange and understanding. As Dr. Chouinard notes, language is a tool of information, exchange, and communication, but it's so much more than that. Anyone who decides to learn to speak another language realizes the extent to which any language comes with a specific conception of the world and the universe around us. Hansen's actions serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of embracing diversity and promoting cross-cultural understanding, even in the vast expanse of space. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, it's essential to recognize the value of language and culture in shaping our perceptions of the world. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we're reminded that even the smallest voices can make a big impact. Today, we're going to talk about a 10-year-old girl named Kaela Polkinghorn, who wrote a heartfelt letter to NASA with a simple yet profound request: restore Pluto to a planet. Kaela's plea was not just a childish whim, but a genuine expression of her passion for astronomy and her desire to understand the universe. As she sat in the darkened dome theater of Tampa's Museum of Science and Innovation, watching the planets orbit around the sun, she couldn't help but feel that something was missing. Pluto, once considered the ninth planet in our solar system, had been reclassified as a dwarf planet, leaving Kaela feeling like a part of her celestial family had been taken away. But what's remarkable about Kaela's story is not just her determination to revive Pluto's planetary status, but the response she received from NASA's chief administrator. In a surprising turn of events, the administrator replied with just 4 words: "Pluto is still cool." These 4 words may seem simple, but they speak volumes about the power of language and the importance of embracing our curiosity and sense of wonder. As we reflect on Kaela's story, we're reminded that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that even the smallest among us can make a big impact when we dare to ask questions and challenge the status quo. So, let's keep looking up at the stars, and who knows, maybe one day we'll discover new worlds and new wonders that will inspire us to redefine what it means to be a planet. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.